Is that a lot of groceries? Okay, who wants to go? Yeah, go put it in the living room. Hi guys, I'm Mom Rare to Many. I am mom to 15 and we are in the middle of so bunch of crazies. Basically we are going to be moving out of the Ronald McDonald house, which is where I am at right now. I am here to say goodbye to the kids. I'm going to spend the night tonight. My husband's over at the hospital. I'm going to be with them and then they're going to leave tomorrow. So I got a bunch of groceries and these groceries are going to be going up to Maine. Everyone's going to be moving into the same house probably next weekend. So these groceries are for this week coming and probably the next, probably to finish out for the rest of the month for us. So I will share with you what I got. It's a pretty full table, guys. Pretty full table. I was trying to mentally like figure out what we were doing and I am tired. We have had a really long week. So I ended up getting, this hummus was on sale. So I ended up getting some hummus. It was buy two, get one free. So I got some hummus and I thought, and the carrots were also on sale. I thought we could do a lot of veggie dipping in the hummus. So we have the hummus. I got these. I got 4 each of these. These were also on sale. And I like these or these for Jag. So I thought that we'd probably do 3 packages of these for Jag. We could probably get away with 2, but 3 or 4 packages of these for a big old pot of Jag. So I was thinking Jag. I was hungry. Yeah. I need to write that recipe out or see if I can find that recipe for the children to have, but these are for the Jag. If I do have that, I'll try to, if I find that recipe, I'll try to like link that in or something like that. Maybe the girls can make it for you. I'll see. The cheese was a good price. I think it was like $1.99 or something for these packages. So I ended up, I didn't need all of this, but we are definitely going to love cheese. I still have some, I think, from in the freezers. I'm not entirely sure because I'm not there, but that was a good price. That's going to go in the freezers. Let's move along up here. What's this?
These are cheese sticks.
Those are cheese sticks. What do we do with cheese sticks?
Eat them. Like that.
You eat them like that? Do you like cheese sticks?
Yeah, I like hot dogs.
You like hot dogs. These are sausages. Okay, so we have 4 things of string cheese. All right, so those string cheeses, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these pizza blends. I actually was thinking that we could make some pizzas, but I couldn't find what I usually use for like store-bought make type pizza doughs. I was looking for the cauliflower crust pizza that you just add water to, but I couldn't find it, so I'll have extra pizza blend for no reason. Do you want to bring those into the kitchen?
Can I with her?
Yeah, you bring this one. You bring this one. Okay, into the kitchen. All right, so now we have 2 of these large brown eggs. We eat a lot of eggs, and having a limit on eggs is really a challenge for us because we eat so many. So I got 2 dozen of these, and then they also allowed me to get 2 18 packs. I could probably split this up to be 1, 2, 3 breakfasts. Then I got this egg replacer. I bought this as well. I'm thinking for baking that we could use this instead. I know there's other alternatives out there. Guys, you have to remember, I'm not the one cooking. I'm not the one doing alternatives. I'm not that person. My children are in the middle of doing this, so I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for them. So I got some egg replacer for meals. I got 2 things of cream cheese. Then we have 2 of these cream cheese here. I will mix this with some garlic, and then I'll show you. It'll be like a dip in order to use for vegetables. Now we have a bunch of salads. We'll be having more people there, so definitely need more salad. 3 of the garden salads here, and then I got 2 of these green goddesses. These were actually $2.99, which is a good price for those. Last time I think I spent $4.99 for those. I got 2 things here. I'll show you in a minute. I got 2 things here of the butter, and then she was asking about these. These are sea salt sesame snacks. Do you want me to open these and you can share them? Okay, they have their little seaweed snack. Got a couple of those just for that, snacking. We got 2 half and halves. We still have 1 here, but that will be good. That will probably last the 2 weeks. I got some of these gluten-free honey cornbreads. Can we make this from scratch? Yes. Do I know what we have for supplies over there? It's really challenging for me because I am writing out a menu plan without being at a location. So I knew some things that I wanted to put on the menu plan, and that would include having the gluten-free cornbread, and I wasn't sure if they had the supplies for it, and I didn't want to write so I bought some cornbread. I still don't have a menu. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm doing. I need to figure it out. I have like slept barely at all. Like you can probably see by the look in my eyes, I look like a hot mess. Anyway, I can barely keep my eyes open. I feel like I'm like doing this, like I'm surprised, because that's how I feel like I have to hold my eyes open. Anyway, let's see what I got. So I got some tater bites. Now, what I was thinking for these, I mean, technically we could make tater tot casserole. Another thing is I saw a like breakfast type casserole. I honestly was thinking that I was going to be able to be available to be home, and I saw this like breakfast casserole that had those in it, and I was going to make that, but life is what it is, and you better watch my update video because it's a whole bunch of hot mess. It's a whole bunch of hot mess. It's a really massive headache, if you wanted to know. So the plan that I had to make meals and make different things when I had thought in my brain what I was going to do was more for what I kind of wanted to make. So the jag and this tater casserole breakfast thing, I wanted to try those out. I wanted to make them. I wanted to share them with you. And I'm not going to be there. All right, these were on sale. These are kind of cool. So it's called stir fry veggies, but it is carrots and broccoli and peas. And I thought, why not buy these and use these just for like raw snacking? Because we could make that dip with the cream cheese over there and have the hummus, and then we could dip veggies in there. Yeah, these were on sale, and I thought that would be a great idea. Got these coleslaw mixes. Just need to add mayonnaise, seasonings, and a dribble of either lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. A little bit of sugar. We'll have a lovely mix. Got a bunch of cucumbers. Cucumbers are an easy snack. 4 bags of those. 2 bags of these peppers. These are all for fresh eating, guys. 2 things of grapes. 4 bags of regular carrots. These were cheap. These are like 59 cents. And then a couple of the baby carrots that are already done up or whatever. Got some organic broccoli florets. So those are for yummy dipping. Got a couple avocados here. There's 4 in there. For the freezer, we got onions, celery, and carrots. I was going to use this as a base, quick and easy base for something, but I don't know if I'm going to make it, so it's just going to go in the freezer for now. So I got 4 bags of those. I got a bag of chopped kale. That was going to be for the jag as well as this. So I figured I could make 1 jag now, and that would use this. And then later I could do a jag and could use that. I have peas and carrots, 4 bags of those, and then I got 4 bags of this broccoli. 2 cantaloupes, and then a bunch of apples. Apples are just a great snack and they keep for a long time. So I think I got 6 bags. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 bags of apples, a couple banana bunches. I got 2 bags of these pears and 4 bags of potatoes. I don't really have a huge plan with this. I'm hoping that I can share with you guys what my plan is. I did definitely have in my brain to do like potatoes with broccoli. That sounded really yummy to me, so I thought that we could have that as one of the sides because we have the cheese as well. Yeah, so I will keep you updated with what the plan is. I need to make a menu for the next couple of weeks. I think they have a menu for next week, but then I need to make it for the week after. I don't really know. Everything's all over the place, but there's a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. And I find whenever it is difficult to come up with anything, if we're just trying to make it from one shopping list to another shopping list or one plan to another plan, if you have a bunch of fruits and vegetables, pretty much you can like fry up some meat and put the vegetables on the table and you have a meal. So that's my plan, not plan, and that's my technique or not technique in order to get through some really hard times. So I hope that you have a blessed and wonderful day.